I thought it was absolutely fantastic, really enjoyed it.
If you want an emotional cleanse, then this is definitely the opera for you.
It was quite real and very emotional and beautiful.
Ti'n gwybod, oedd y cerddoriaeth yn gwych, oedd yn actio'n gwych i gyd, so oedd yn rili dda.
You could listen to the lovely voices, but at the same time the orchestra played lovely tunes and it was nice to listen into the two.
Gosh, I think the music, obviously it was something I wasn't familiar with before, but definitely I now want to go home and listen to more of it.
I've never seen Ymateb opera before and it's absolutely stunning.
The singing was just phenomenal. The drama, I was not expecting the drama at all.
I thought it was marvellous. I was very moved at the end, actually, to tears.
You'll very rarely see a production like this. You just have to come and see it.
Does dim rheswm ddim I ddod I weld. Mae'n gwych